All right, Mom and Dad Me World. So today I want to talk about this right here. This is the Apple Watch Series 6, but I actually want to talk about the Apple Watch Series 6 and WatchOS 27. Yes, WatchOS 27 will be coming out, but this particular model right here, this Apple Watch will not be compatible with WatchOS 27, but neither is the Apple Watch Ultra 1, which is kind of surprising because I don't think that is too old of an Apple Watch. But this here is actually kind of an older Apple Watch. With this being the Series 6, this is a Series 6 with stainless. Yes, this is stainless steel on the outer stainless steel casing, and then you've got a sapphire crystal display, which is why this has lasted for so long because, well, I've not had to use any sort of screen protector, and this has just been super duper great. So, fun fact about this watch, just remove Apple Care from it. Had Apple Care on it for, well, pretty much since we had bought it, which was about 2 months since it had come out. Just removed it a few months ago, and then a few months before that we actually replaced the battery, which actually made the watch seem like it ran faster. And so fast forward now, so this was maybe not even a year, the battery life on this, the maximum percentage for the charge is 85% on this particular watch, and I think it took it like years, many years before it actually got to 80%, to where we actually said, okay, we got to replace the battery, covered under the Apple Care Plus warranty. But right here, I think Apple just, quite honestly, they did not put as good a battery in this when we had this replaced directly from Apple. And I'm talking about the battery for the Apple Care that was included with this. But will I actually upgrade to a newer version of the Apple Watch to support WatchOS 27? Well, I honestly don't know, because I use a watch for primarily four things. That is to tell time. It is a watch first and foremost. 2, that is for notifications of like text messages. 3, that is for things like, the Apple Pay, like you see right here. And then 4 is right here to keep track of my rings right here. It is a fitness tracker, and this does everything very well. If I use it for just these activities and it does it so well right now, I am really unsure about upgrading to a newer Apple Watch or the latest greatest Apple Watch just to run WatchOS 27. The watch has been super good. It's been very fast. It's been very reliable, and it's been very durable because this is stainless steel with Wi-Fi and cellular. Although I don't have the cellular turned on this. I just tether with my phone. So that is about it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Series 6 Apple Watch, it's been awesome. And I think 26.5 is the last it will get, unless Apple revises that, which I don't think they will, because if they did, maybe the Apple Watch Ultra 1 should be one of those to get revised. All right. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye for now.